SaaS automation is broken. APIs are complex, slow and rigid. But what if AI could just talk to software naturally? Meet MCP, the protocol that could replace REST APIs for AI-driven automation. Right now, if you want to automate something, you need REST APIs. That means API keys, authentication, endless docs, and debugging failed requests. Sounds painful, right? Let me show you a real-world example. Fetching a user's orders from Shopify. With REST APIs, we need to get the customer ID, authenticate, make multiple API calls for fetching the orders. But with MCP, all we need to say is, show me the last 10 orders placed by John Doe on Shopify with item details and total amounts. And that's it. MCP handles authentication, pagination, and response formatting automatically. Let's see another example. Creating a new Stripe subscription. With REST APIs, we have to create a customer, add a payment method, and then subscribe them to a plan. But with MCP, all we need to say is, create a new Stripe subscription for John Doe using his saved payment method and the Pro plan. No manual API calls, no debugging JSON, just one simple instruction, and MCP does the rest. Now, you might be thinking, why not just use n8n or AI agents for automation? The problem is they still depend on third-party APIs, which means more middleware, API rate limits, and failure points. MCP is different because no third-party dependencies, direct software-to-software communication, AI-driven workflows without API complexity. MCP let applications talk directly, making automation truly seamless. Here are some more examples, like MCP for Cloudflare. Just say create a worker or search the database for this string. Here's an MCP for Google Drive server. Simply ask for any file and it responds instantly. So, will MCP replace APIs or will SaaS companies resist change? Let's discuss in the comments.